Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to sum a column in Excel. Summing a column in Excel is essential for quickly calculating totals, managing finances and analyzing data efficiently. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel spreadsheet. This is our sample sales data. Here I have a column of quarterly sales that I want to sum. The quickest way to sum a column in Excel is by using the AutoSum feature. Click on the cell where you want the sum to appear. Typically, this is right below the column of numbers you want to add. So click here. Now click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Editing group, click on AutoSum icon. So this is AutoSum icon. Click on it. Excel will automatically select the range of numbers above. You can change the range of the selected cells by clicking and dragging this square at the edge. Press enter. Here you have the sum of the column. So that's how to sum a column in Excel. Thanks for watching.